Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Naruto, so let's get started. To draw Naruto, let's first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and draw the bottom of a U. So this time I'm not starting straight up and down, I'm kind of giving it a slight angle. So same thing on the other side and go ahead and connect it. But right there, center it, and go back up. There, so we have his face in. So then now let's come back to where we started and we're going to draw his eyes. So I'm going to come right to the edge in about this area right here. And I'm going to draw a curve going towards this area right here. So just draw a curve about right there. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Come right across. So say about this much right here, and we're going to do the same thing. Just draw a curve right towards the edge. So just two big curves. Then from there, we're going to come right to the center of this curve and draw an oval. So right here, nice big size oval. And let's come over here on this edge and just draw a soft curve. And then at the bottom, let's draw another soft curve. So we're going to do the same thing over here. Draw an oval. And come right here, round it off. And at the bottom, draw a soft curve. And then let's come back in here and we're going to give a little highlight in this area. So just draw a circle. And then in the center, we're going to draw an oval. And if you like, you can give another highlight. So let's come in here and draw another circle first, and then draw the highlight. Draw the oval in between. But if you have one of those whiteout pens, you don't need to draw the ovals, draw the highlights first. You can do that after you color everything in. Okay, so same thing here. But if you don't, it's easier if you just draw the highlights first. So two circles, and then right inside the center, just draw an oval and shade it in. And then I'm going to come right back in here and just thicken the top curve up. And same thing here. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and in about this area right here, now it's the same level, we're going to go ahead and connect it with a curve for the headband that he wears. So about right here, just curve and connect. And then let's come back, I almost forgot his mouth. And so let's come to about in this area, we're going to draw his mouth. So come about right here, it's kind of straight. I'm just going to give it a little curve towards the center, wobble a little bit, and then come right back up. And then you can cap it off. I know it kind of looks really weird right now, but once you color this part in, it'll all come together. And then now his brows. So right here, I'm just going to draw a curve and then go up for a slanted brow. So same thing here, curve and then go up for his brow. There. And then his whiskers, that's on his face right here. So say about this area, I'm just going to draw 3 of them. He needs these whiskers to make him complete, of course, right? So 3. There. Now it's all coming together. From there, let's go ahead and draw his ears in this area right here. Draw a big curve. And then we're going to come inside for some details. Just 2 curves. And same thing over here. Nice big ears for Naruto. And 2 curves. So then now let's draw his headband. So let's come right in between this space. And we're just going to wobble, curve up. About the same level, and I'm going to bring it in to thicken it up. Let's bring it in. But before I go all the way across, I'm going to stop right here because I know there's some strands of hair that I'm going to zigzag across right here. But if you're using a pencil, definitely do that later and just continue this curve. So then now I can go ahead and finish my curve right by here. And then as I come to this side, we're going to stop once again to draw 2 more strands of hair. And then complete our headband. Okay, so then let's draw the little metal plate right here. So right in the center, just following your top and round it off. And continue and follow the bottom curve. And then let's draw the leaf village symbol. So right in this area, right in the center, I'm gonna draw an angle line and then a swirl. Let's see, make sure I'm doing this right. Okay, 1 swirl. Okay, there, and then this part that sticks out. So it's like an angle that comes out. There, I got the leaf village symbol in. Then now let's finish off his hair. So I'm going to come right back to where the band is, and I'm just going to draw a bunch of zigzags. So this part right here, same thing, pretty even. So I'm just going to make sure I draw that so I know to come right back to there, and I'm going to go up a bunch of zigzags. So towards the center, kind of even, so it makes it a little bit easier for me to draw. But you don't have to definitely make it even at all. So 1 more. There, something like that. Now we have his hair in. This side looks like it's a bit off, right? So I'm gonna, looks weird on this side. I think I went out too much. There, now I'm just going to erase that. Nothing you can't fix, right? Okay, so then from there, let's draw his body. I'm going to come right here and draw a thick little collar on him. Go right there and connect. And then I'm going to draw his shoulders that come out. And now let's kind of figure his armpits would be about right here and here. So let's come out with a slight angle line. Okay, so then now let's come back right. Let's come in here and finish off the jacket part. So I'm bringing it in a little bit, and I'm going to connect it with a slight wobble. Give it a little bottom cuff right here. And then, let's see here, let's come down nice and low, so about right here, draw a slight angle line and 2 lines coming from the center. Then we're going to come back to the side to start his pants. Okay, so then let's bring this down. So I'm having his feet kind of apart. So let's work on this foot first, this leg first. So we're just going to bring it down. Flare it out a tiny bit towards the bottom and connect. So same thing over here. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw his legs. That comes out the ankle part. So just 2 slight angle lines, connect it, and then sock area, connect that, and then now his shoes. So we're going to come out with a curve. This part comes down and round it off and connect. So then for some details, we're going to come down here and draw a curve all the way across, and then open toe. So right here, we're just going to draw a big curve. And then draw some indication of toes to 2, 3 curves. Okay, so same thing on the other side. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and draw his arms, and I'm having them to the side in a fist. So right here, let's come out, angle a little bit because it's going to bend about right here and here, and then he has these cuffs, so I'm going to end it right here with a curve, bring it down with this angle, continuing down, and about right here I'll connect it again. So we're still continuing down at this angle, come down, and then for his fist, so 2 curves that come in, wobble it out again, and then just go ahead and connect. And right in this area right here, just draw a little curve. So same thing on this side. So about right here, we're going to start to bend. Start to bend, and once again, same thing. Curve, and we're still continuing at this angle. All right there, and his arm right here, and so once again, same thing. Wobble, curve, come out, and connect, and a little line right there. Okay, so then now we can finally go in with all the details. So right here, let's come back up, and we're going to break this in the center, 2 lines, and you can lightly draw in some lines right here if you like. And in the center is the zipper part, so another 2 lines right in the center, and then some horizontal lines. And let's bring this line down all the way into his jacket part, right in the center. And then there's going to be a little zipper tab, and then continue the zipper all the way down. And then right here, just bring this up a little bit more. About in this area, we're going to draw a curve. And same thing all the way across. And let's see here, you can add some crease lines right here. Okay, so then from there, his pants. So let's come down the center with a line. For some details, you can draw this little curve right here if you like. Another curve here. And then the band, of course, that's on his leg. So say about right here. Go ahead and draw a curve and another curve about right there. And in the center, it's going to be a darker band. So I'll go ahead and shade that in. And then there's another one here. And so then there's also this little bag thing right here. So a little pocket thing that goes on right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that right there. And another band right here. I hope I have all the details right. But that is pretty much it, I hope, for my drawing here of Naruto. And I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me and that you love how he turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.